Hi, I'm Adam, one of the memory experts here at Crucial. Today I'll be showing you how to install memory and a mini SSD into a Dell Mini 9.
Installing memory in the Dell Mini 9 is a quick and simple process. First, begin by removing the battery. Turn the computer over and now depress the power switch. This will allow the computer to cycle down. Next, you will want to access the memory bay. To do this, remove the two screws that are located on the memory bay cover. You now have access to both the memory slot as well as the mini SSD. To remove the memory, simply depress the clips that hold the memory module in place. The module will pop up to a 45-degree angle and gently pull out. Now install your new Crucial memory by inserting at a 45-degree angle and carefully seating and pressing it into place. Now remove the unit's SSD. You'll do this by removing two hex screws from the mini SSD. Again, this module will pop up at a 45-degree angle. Now simply pull out and replace with your Crucial memory upgrade. Insert at a 45-degree angle. Press it into place and replace the two mini hex screws. Once this is complete, replace the memory bay cover and the two screws that hold it in place. When you've completed this process, replace the battery and turn the computer on. You've now upgraded both the SSD and the memory in your Dell Mini 9. For more information, please visit us at www.crucial.com.